This is the lowest point on Earth, lying at 420 meters beneath sea level. We are in Jordan, and we are going to the Dead Sea. The waters of the Dead Sea are extremely saline. It's almost 10 times as salty as the ocean, and it's known to make you float. Grab a handful of the mud, smear it on your body. Once you wash it off, you will find you have got a way softer skin. It was raining in Petra, so we weren't able to visit the main archaeological site. But it didn't bother us. We visited Little Petra, which is another historical site. It's smaller than the most famous part of Petra, but still fascinating with its buildings that are carved into the sandstone canyons. We also went to discover all the amazing nature around Petra.
You call it Wadi Aglat. These people for the rain time you come here. Why you have some like cave, you put the goats in the cave side, and then the people you stay in the tent. That's the life. Yeah.
And just when we were so grateful for all the beauty that nature was offering us, we were even gifted with a yellow sunset and a rainbow. Jordanians are always proud of their country and culture. They love to tell you all the details about your beloved places. Local people like to go out in the nature, and Jordan is full of free nature. We found this beautiful sandy place where some Jordanians were driving fast with their cars, and we were just admiring the rocky mountains and the desert plants. It's also very easy to make new Jordanian friends. They will be genuinely interested about your story and about the place where you are from. It's always a good idea to drink tea. Jordanians drink it almost every hour of the day. Everywhere you go, people will always offer you this black Ceylon tea, served in small glasses with lots of sugar. For many generations, Bedouin people of Petra lived in the caves. But in the 80s, most of them moved to Sayhoun, which is a small village overlooking the archaeological site. It's a rural place, as most of the smaller towns in Jordan, but still very interesting. I'm sure that every single moment that you will spend in Jordan will amaze you.